Ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen here, the Ice Cream Bloke. Welcome to another CGIP 2023 video. We are here in front of the Choco Arena, which is the base for all things happening in Hall B, chocolate. We're going to do a quick walk around. Now, a couple of big celebrations happening. Academy of Master Patisseries in Italy is having their 30th birthday. They've got a monstrous cake just down the road here. Big celebrations for them. A little bit disappointed, to tell you the truth. I thought this was going to be a arena made of chocolate. It is not, but there's a lot of experts here, demonstrations, business collaborations. Let's take for a little bit of a walk around the chocolate hall here, CGIP 2023. So we have ourselves here a master chocolatier.
Hi.
How do you become a master chocolatier?
I become a master chocolatier studying chocolate, but I won an Italian program that was called Maître Chocolatier Talenti Sfida, and so now I work for it.
We hear all the time about the master chocolatiers, and you are one.
Alive, here. I'm a master chocolatier, yeah. To a beautiful times.
You like it?
I love it.
Ice cream lovers, that wraps up a walk around the chocolate hall here in CGIP 2023. I stuck my finger in a 30-tier 30 cake, put my hand under some tempering machines, lay down on a conveyor belt that went onto an enrobing machine, and met a master chocolatier here at Lindt. I think my life is pretty well complete. All of the details for these manufacturers are down below. Very much worth a visit to CGIP. If you're in the chocolate business, the pastry business, the coffee business, and especially the ice cream business, not to be missed. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.